Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an E5d error and you're trying to figure out, well, what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it? So first of all, what it is that this is a communication error that's being sensed between the main control board and the inverter board, which sends power to the drive motor. So really the error can actually be anywhere. It can be on the inverter board, on the inverter, on the wiring, or on the electronic control board. So what you want to do, first things first, is just check the wiring between those two, and if there's anything damaged, disconnected, frayed, etc., you can repair and replace that as necessary. The next thing to do would be to just replace the inverter board. And if that doesn't work, then you can just go ahead and replace the main control board. And if it gets to that point, you need to replace the main control board, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial for how to replace the control board on your dryer.